Water. Certainly one of life's most precious resources. Water leakage and lost revenue, often due to inaccurate readings and poor to none monitoring. We cannot afford to waste our valuable resources anymore. Together, we can change that. We say, if you can sense it, you can manage it. And that makes business sense. Our South African solution is basic and simple, yet technologically advanced and globally adaptable. Flecto Sense prevents water leakage, lost revenue, inaccurate readings, and ensures and enables proper monitoring and managing, pre- and post-paid functionalities, and effective revenue collection. Flecto Sense's solution consists of a smart ultrasonic Kamstrup water meter that enables and provides accurate water meter readings and immediate feedback to users with alarms for water leakage, reverse flow, burst detection, dry detection, and tamper warnings. A Flecto Sense Smart valve controller that has a high tolerance to grit particles in water with a flow throttling ball valve and long battery life, complemented by wireless communication, enabling remote on and off switching, and tamper warning with an automatic shut-off, as well as a customer interface unit that boasts a smart control mechanism with dual power supply capabilities and central control and monitoring unit with warning and status display functionality. Flecto Sense's solution enables users to track and monitor water usage effectively, manage revenue collection, and manage free basic water allocation. As it is modular in its makeup, it is fully upgradable with individually configurable components that are compatible for bulk supply and submetering for commercial, retail, and residential. Grow your Flecto system by adding on a wireless data concentrator or advanced meter infrastructure capabilities. The only way to ensure sustained future water resources and its continued usage is to make smart choices right now. Make the smart choice. Invest in a Flecto Sense system today and change your water and financial economy. To get connected, email us at info@flecto.co.za or visit our website flecto.co.za for more information.